let's reprogram your mind around money. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Money is on its way to you now. Money is coming to you now. Money is finding you now. You are receiving expected and unexpected amounts of money right in this moment. Now. Money is here. Money is always coming to you. Money is always being provided by you and for you. Money is always with you. Money is here now. Money is safe. Money is safe. Money is spoiling you. Money is here in the now. Money is coming your way. Money is overflowing in your bank account. Money is paying for all that you require and you desire. Money is here in the now, and money is safe. Money is safe. Money is safe. Money is coming your way. Money is here in the now. Money is chasing you down. Money is providing for you now. Money is present right here in this moment. Money is with you. Money is being guided by you. Money is being received by you. Money is safe now. Money is coming your way. Money is loving on you. Money is providing for you. Money is in your bank account and coming into your life at high capacities now. Money is spoiling you. Money is being received by you. Money is safe with you now. Money is here in the now. Money is being provided for you. Money is being received by you. Money is safe with you now. Take a deep breath in and come back to this beautiful meditation in the morning and before you go to sleep, to allow your conscious and your subconscious mind to connect deeper with money, because money is always here for you. It is always providing for you, and it is safe now. Take one more beautiful deep breath in. Thank you for receiving, and have a beautiful and blessed day.